Let me show you how to make this delicious Italian chicken in the air fryer. And if you haven't already subscribed to my healthy cooking channel, please do it now. We start out this recipe with 1 bag of honey gold potatoes that's been quartered. To that, we add 1 red onion. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then add 2 tablespoons of pesto. Mix all of that in a plastic gallon bag. Pour it into your air fryer and notice how everything is evenly coated. Add 3 chicken breasts to the air fryer. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then add your seasonings of garlic powder, oregano, and black pepper. Bake that in your air fryer at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. When it's done, add 1 cup of sliced cherry tomatoes and look at that awesome color. Back into the air fryer it goes for another 15 minutes. Once it's done, look how amazing this looks. A simple 1-pan meal. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and like this video. Now to finish this recipe off, I added some chopped fresh basil for garnish. Now if you like this healthy meal video, please like, subscribe, and share it. Click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Help me get to 1,000 followers. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave you with some suggestions of others that you can watch from my over than 50 plus healthy meal recipes that I have created. Enjoy!